Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you have joined me for another video. Today I am prepping for Christmas. Now here's the thing. Because you're here, you obviously like all things home, so please consider subscribing and becoming part of the Homebody family. Today was quite a long day, and I will say that if I fit everything into this video, it will be about 45 minutes long, and we're not going to do that. So please be on the lookout for the sequential videos to this. But I do want to mention this reed diffuser that I found from Volupspa. I have used some of their candles, but I am quite a fan of the reed diffusers. So 4 of my trees are from Hobby Lobby. 2 of my trees are from Michael's, which are the pencil trees. And they do have lights on them, as well as the one that's on my coffee table, but I do not plug them in. I just feel like the amount of fabric that I have them surrounded by, it is a electrical hazard, so I do not plug them in. Now, as far as the ornaments, I have been collecting them for about 3 years now, and majority of them are, the picks are from Hobby Lobby, and majority of my bulbs are from Market because I am an interior designer and I like fancy stuff. If you were with me on that live when I decorated my mantle, this is all of that flocking. And if you weren't with me, pretty much I decorated my mantle. My husband seen it and was like, no, I've seen what I needed to see. It is blocking my projector screen. Absolutely not. It was fun while it lasted, but I wasn't too bummed about not decorating the mantelpiece, especially because I am the safety ranger and I just didn't find it safe to have items that close dangling off by the fire that could possibly be ignited. Yes, I know that is worst case scenario, but I am the worst case scenario thinker, so there's that. So my goal here today is just to get all 3 trees out of their bins and packaging and situated in the room to kind of get an overview of how I'm going to rearrange my furniture and how I want the full feel of this Christmas decor to go. In general, my theory is if the decorations flow with the furniture, nobody really notices that they're gonna be 6 trees in one spot anyway. It's just kind of like the initial shock of knowing it's 6 trees in this one room. So initially I thought that this setup was going to work for me, but I kind of switched it around and it finally made sense to me because it is not symmetrical because of the size of the trees, and I did not take my coffee table tree off the coffee table to then group it with the other side of the window. So I wanted to make sure it visually made sense, and once it did, I did my little happy dance because it worked out. Like what was in my head actually worked out. So all of my supervisors have now showed up now that I've got the first 4 trees up and I only have 2 more to go. Y'all, it's so much dust and fur. It's like I am consistently dusting, consistently sweeping, consistently vacuuming. But you know, hey, what can a good coffee break not solve, you know? And a good Swiffer. Now here's my disclaimer. Although I am showing you the prep of how I am organizing these trees, how I am going about repositioning my furniture so that I am getting the full use of these 2 rooms between my kitchen and my living space, because I want people to be able to still communicate. I am not going to film, I did not film my actual process of decorating the tree. I get that some people have that ability to do that. That ain't me. So I did, however, film doing the stairwell, and I did, like I said, film and do the Christmas tree live with you guys for the coffee table. But for 5 trees, it's a lot of sticking this here, stepping back, evaluating, checking, maneuvering. It's a whole hot mess, and bare minimum 20 minutes worth of film. Okay, so this is what I got. Okay. I love that I got to stick both of my rhinos on my coffee table for my Christmas decor. This turned out way better than I thought. Just so you know, the tree skirt below is technically just 2 yards of fabric from Joann's. I don't necessarily believe in paying for stuff that you can just go get off a boat. But outside of that, you guys, that's everything. You know, you see my Hobby Lobby pics. I've got some Joann sprinkled in there, I think. Some Hobby Lobby, some Market, some Christmas tree palettes. Take your pick. If you know your product, like, you know, if you're a Christmas fanatic, then you know where I got this stuff from. But yeah, thanks so much for coming back for another video. Be on the lookout for, like I said, the sequential videos leading up to this one, to the final product. And I will see you guys in my next video.